Hi, welcome to my channel. It's Local Zogia, and today's video I'll be showing you how I'm able to use my top load automatic washing machine without water. So we don't have water in the tank, so I'll be washing with it. So now I'll on it because the last wash it drained the water, so you have to on it and put it on wash, and then I'll off it back. Then I'll fill in my water. So I'm going to fill in the water in this tank to a certain level, then we start washing. So here I wanted to make sure my water is not draining, so I had to put in my clothes. I'll turn everything inside and then put them in the clothes, and I'm sure that the water is not draining inside. So here I wanted to see how leveled my water is, so that maybe it is not leveled and I add up more water. So now it is leveled. I've added my detergent. I have to stir, prep my clothes for washing. So I have to prep it really well and mix it with the water. So with this it makes washing easy because there's no water. So my clothes are done for they are ready for washing, so I'm going to on it and then start. I've put it on wash, but it seems it wasn't washing. And bear in mind, I on it and put it on wash, and then I switch it off. So if I'm going to on it back, I have to start without pressing any wash. I have to go ahead and just start the machine. But I didn't know how. I thought there was a problem, so I had to come and check again and then see what the problem was. So now I put it on start. I off it again and on it, and then put it on start. So it has started washing. So when it's done, when you put it on wash only, it will just wash only, and you have to come and regulate it. But when you put it on quick wash or heavy wash, it will just wash everything and drain by itself. Do you understand? Okay. So I'm going to wait for it to wash and then drain, and then I'll rinse it, and then I'll to spin and dry it, and then I'll go and dry it up on the dry line. So I'll be waiting. So as at this point, it is getting ready to drain. So the washing is done, and then it is draining very soon. It is draining. So when it's you see the CC, means it is draining. So it will drain the water will drain, and then it will spin. Then new water will be filled. But because there's no water, I have to refill the water and the tank, and then that will be used for rinsing. It will be used for rinsing. So it will continue a little, and then it will rinse, and then it will drain, and then it will spin and then dry. So when you take it out, you see there's no water in the clothes. It will be dry. So let's wait for it to spin. we are almost done with the washing, so it's done now. You can see it has spin and everything. So this one, you take it to the dry line and dry for like 1 hour or 1 hour 30 minutes, and then we are good to go. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Bye.